Jai Girnari, starting the ropeway part of the journey with this beautiful ropeway here built by Gujarat, which takes you on the mountain behind. So we will be climbing roughly 2000 meters up. Jai Girnari. Entering the ropeway now. It's called Udan Khatola here, and they charge 700 rupees for a return ticket. Extremely well maintained, clean, with very good security. This is what welcomes us just before we board the Udan Khatola or the ropeway. Very beautiful. It's called Udan Khatola, as you can see here. It's even better than an airport lounge. Very, very beautifully maintained, extremely clean. And this is where we enter into the line. The entire system. The cable cars coming and leaving at one time. Yes, that is leaving. And our cable car is coming from here. This is the one that I will be boarding in. Everything is very high-tech and beautifully kept and maintained.
Loading થઈ જાય.
We are inside the cabin now, and we are ready to take off. Thank you. Here we go. Jai Girnari. नीचे जो जोते जो There we go.
आप गया ना कभी भी दापा दे बिचार सिंगल आना ओपन सिंगल बताओ
પલાશ પલાશ અમે બેસી ગયા જો જાય છે જો બધું આવે છે જો જલ્દી જો જો આટલું ઉપર છે જો જોઈ લીધું એ આ જો નીચેનું પણ મસ્ત દેખાય છે
This is the entire Satpura range.
અને અહીંયાથી ઉપરનું પાછળનું
Okay, the other one coming down.
ઓકે પછી અમે ઉપર ચડીને પછી તમને ઓકે
We'll be going up to Ambaji. This ropeway is only till Ambaji, and beyond that, you have to climb up. Dense forest everywhere, mostly sagwan. And that is the peak that we will be reaching. This is almost 5,000 steps up. And from Ambaji, we'll have to climb another 5,000 steps to go to Guru Shikhar. It's a beautiful morning. A little misty. And you can see the other one coming down. This is a continuous process from morning 7 till evening 6 o'clock. And you can have around 6 to 8 people in this cabin. And this entire journey takes about 7 to 10 minutes. There are clear instructions everywhere, and there is an attendant in the cabin here. Very good safety measures. And this climbing up would have otherwise taken a good 4 to 5 hours. And this ropeway is saving a lot of time and energy and effort. And especially people with physical ailments or health issues, ropeway is a big boon to them. And it saves a lot of time, and it gives you the thrill of traveling anyway. Taking a picture from the other side now, you can see this beautiful magical kind of atmosphere. Lot of mist and fog everywhere.
એને ના પાડી છે ને ઊભા થવાની. તમારે રોજનું છે, અમારી માટે આજનું છે. તમે બેસી જાઓ.
એમાં બે ઊભામાં કાંઈ હોય નહીં બેન.
પણ તમે બેસી જાઓ ને. પણ એ કહે છે તો એમાં કઈ સમજવાની વાત છે ને. બેસી જાઓ. હા 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 લીકે રખા है ना. नीचे બેસી જાઓ ને તમે.
आप अटेंडेंट हो ना? अटेंडेंट हो?
डोली वाली.
डोली वाले, अच्छा. कितना लेते हो डोली अंबाजी से ऊपर?
10 मंदिर.
हाँ,
10 मंदिर जाने का.
दत्त मंदिर.
लास्ट मंदिर?
जी जी, गुरु शिखर.
वहाँ का 6,500, 5,500.
अंबाजी से ऊपर. अच्छा
4,500 वजन के हिसाब से.
अच्छा
70 से अंदर हो उसका 5,150.
अच्छा.
70 से ऊपर हो 6,150.
लेकिन हम लोग चढ़ पाते हैं ना? Yeah, I was just talking to somebody here who carries people up, or especially old people who cannot climb up the rest of the 5,000 steps. So there are people available who will, lift you up and take you up. So they are like almost like a carriage, and that is a facility that is available for people who will not be able to climb up. It is absolutely amazing to see this. It's an experience. You must have this experience once at least. Beautiful. The entire mountain range is full of dense forest. You can see how misty it is right now. As we are going up, it's going to be very cold also. There's some small hutments and different hamlet kind of things on the mountain range. And the other one coming down. I've been in even Europe on some of these beautiful ropeways, but this is beyond our experience. And this is, yes, and it is the other, there's a lady next to me here, she's agreeing, and this is what, this experience is something else altogether. and with being a pilgrimage, it adds that special flavor. And this is one of the highest ones in all of the world. Yeah, if not the highest. And that is where we are going. That is the place where we
हो
will
सकता
be.
है, शायद हो सकता है, वही है.
એકસો કને ચડ્યા હતા ત્યારે?
You can see people climbing up this.
અને આમ એટલી મજા આવે ને, તને એમ hard નહીં લાગે એટલું બધું.
Yeah, these are the
મને તો
people who
નહોતું
are
લાગ્યું.
climbing up.
થોડું ક્યાં લાગે છે ખબર છે? હાર્ડ ક્યારે લાગે છે ખબર? જ્યારે આપણે કેમ પહોંચવા આવે ને,
So the day I'm fit, I would love to do that climbing the entirety.
પહોંચી ગયા એવું થાય.
Yeah.
મજા આવે.
This is absolutely beautiful. Now I'll switch it off.
આ પણ મસ્ત છે.
I'll just switch it off now before I show you my fellow passengers.
Hi.
She says hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Jai Girnari, Jai Girnari. This is the Ambaji temple that the ropeway brings us to. Okay, it's extremely windy here, very windy and very beautiful.